Panguva ino vakona majarajara zobuda pachena vachiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino ava kuda kuprovoka general. Senda pana mashoko anobuda anyora panapa ari kuonekwa aiwa semadirect threat ari kusanganikwa nageneral nuri subscribe like on the bell icon. Tibina panapa paenda majarajara anobuda anyora achiti Munangagwa out to provoke President Chiwenga, who for the meantime will remain silent until such a time. It is going to be soon and very soon. In quotes, I lost a lot of friends, but it remains to be seen whether I will continue to watch while the remaining ones are being begged and persecuted. And post this picture I'm going to newzimbabwe.com the Politburo, ZANU-PF's highest decision-making board outside Congress, has given the remaining 8 provinces a 2-week ultimatum to complete the process of approving candidates for DCCs. The issue is the one who has control of the DCCs ultimately has control of the party structures and can call the shots in party and government. So the two Chiwenga and Chiwenga are brawling seriously through their proxies. A Politburo insider told Newsday Zimbabwe on Friday. In the Mashonaland East, which is Chiwenga's home province, as he hails from Weta, Apollonia Mujerengwi was Wednesday demoted from the influential post as the National Commissar in the ZANU-PF's Women's League to Deputy Secretary for Lands. Mujerengwi, who is the Mashonaland East Minister, is perceived as one of the most ardent supporters of Chiwenga and stands accused of interfering with the DCC preparations in the province. Thomas Kwatukono kuti aiwa tiona kuti mamwe matop allies ageneral panguva ino yavachifaiwa tikuona kuti aiwa general vari kumuona and he is watching and seeing and pana majarajaros as he mentioned earlier patara achiti aiwa he is going to remain silent until such a time. It is going to be soon and very soon. General pachazospeaka out pamusoro aiwa kwekufaiwa nekudhisapiwa nekupesekitwa kuri kuitwa maallies ake. Tuze mafunguro enyu motofuni pamusoro pechitiko ichi kana kune section medu dzemafunguro enyu so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.